Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm the laptop is on and unlocked, then open Action Center with Windows plus A or go to Settings System Display. Once there, find the brightness slider near the top. Drag to lower the level until comfortable. Make sure night light is off if you just want raw brightness. This first step changes the panel backlight quickly. Use it to set a baseline before deeper fixes or adjustments. Next, change settings that override the slider. Open Power Options, choose your plan, then change Plan Settings and Advanced Power Settings to disable adaptive brightness. This prevents automatic dimming. Then open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update the graphics driver. Restart if required. Also inspect the Intel, AMD, or NVIDIA control panel for additional display brightness or color control. Finish by using hardware keys, FN plus brightness icons, or open Windows Mobility Center for quick changes. These override some software profiles immediately. If color looks off lower brightness, use Calibrate Display Color in Advanced Display Settings to maintain contrast. If the brightness slider is missing or won't change, run Windows Update, reinstall display drivers, or roll back the last driver. This often restores control. Tip: if brightness flickers after changes, boot into safe mode to confirm it's a driver issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.